Hey guys, today I'm gonna teach you a basic simple Java program, addition of two numbers in Java using Eclipse. Eclipse is a software I'm using to run Java programs. You can Google it. Now coming to the program, opening the Eclipse. Now the first line of the Java program will be looking like this: the public class, and the class is named as add. I'm named the class as add because we're performing an addition operation. The first line of the upcoming line of the Java program should be a main line, like as if in C language. So the main line will be given as public static void main. Public static void main, here I have given. Now open the braces. String should be given where S should be capital. Keep that in mind, don't forget. String should be in string the letter should be always capital. String args where it is as arguments, and open the brackets. That's it. This is the first line of the first line of the Java program body void main. So here we can give arguments which we'll be seeing in the upcoming programs. Now open the braces of the program. Now we will be initializing the variables. Let's consider three variables, uh, a comma b comma c, where a will be given a value and b will be given a value, and these two addition operation will be given to c, so that we can read the value of c directly, which will be equal to the sum of a plus b. Now we are directly giving the values of a, let it be 10, and value of b, let it be 20, and c is given equals to the sum of a plus b. Closing the line, the same as if in the C language, the line should be given, should be closed like this. Now to print the value of the C, we will be using the notation which is new to you people. It is system dot out dot println, which means that system will be printing out the line which we are giving. Understand? So I want to print out these lines: sum of a plus b is. So this will be printing on the console. To load the value in C language, we generally use asterisk, but here you should be using the plus, because asterisk doesn't work in Java. The rules are different, quite a bit different. So plus load the value of C. The C contains the value of a plus b, so loading the value of C, which in turn gives the sum of a plus b. So close this sentence. That's it, the program is done. Now save the program, Control S, the program is saved. Now run this button, this small green button with the start symbol runs the program. See, run. Now the sum of a plus b is 30. This is the basic Java program, addition of two numbers. Hope you liked it. Hope you understand it. In the upcoming videos, I will be making more perfection in my work and letting you understand it perfection levels. Thank you. Have a great day.